The first step in prepping your SD card is to download the latest version of Raspbian. So head over to raspberrypi.org, and if you click on the downloads link, we want to click on the Raspbian distribution, and we want to download the latest version of Raspbian with desktop. So this may look different depending on when you watch the video, as they are continuously releasing new updates to Raspbian, but go ahead and select the latest version. Typically it would be the first version that shows up here to the left, and click on download zip. It is typically a big download and it's normally at least a couple gigs. It'll take a while, so I'll go ahead and download it, and we'll pause the video and continue when the download is complete. Okay, so once the download is complete, next up we have to flash that to our SD card. So we'll use Etcher to do that for us. And if you head over to Google and search for Etcher, I did review this in a previous video in the course, but you can click on the first link and download and install Etcher. Very easy, very simple, and there are versions for all different types of operating systems. So select the operating system that's pertinent to you, download and install Etcher, and next let's flash our SD card. So I'm going to fire up Etcher. And once it's loaded up, I'm going to insert my SD card into the SD card reader, and let's insert that into my computer. You'll notice that it was detected automatically by the Etcher software, and first we have to select the image. So let's go ahead and click on select image. And we're going to select the version of Raspbian that we downloaded. This was the latest version that I downloaded at the time this video was recorded, so I'll go ahead and select that. And of course you're selecting the .zip file, and click on open. You ensure that your SD card is selected, and you can do a quick verification of the gigabyte. So here it's 32 gig. It's a 32 gig SD card that I am using, and once you verify that, go ahead and click on the flash button. So I'm given a prompt here on the Mac. And once I add in the administrator privileges, now the flashing process starts. So this does take a while to complete. Again, I'm going to pause the video and we will pick it up again when the flashing process has completed. Okay, so now that the flashing process is done, we actually have to create a couple of files, couple of configuration files on the SD card. So we'll check that out in the next video.